Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to snap windows side by side, working two applications all together. How you're going to do this multitasking into your Windows 11, I will going to show you in this video. So what you need to do, if you just open this Microsoft Edge and also if you open the File Explorer, what you need to do, if I just want to remain this File Explorer at my right side like this, and then I will going to choose this Microsoft Edge at my right side. How you going to do these simple tricks? Just look at this on-screen keyboard. If I open it, you just simply press this Windows key over here, and then you just need to click, or first of all you just need to select. If I just select this File Explorer, and then you just need to press this Windows key, and then you just need to click this right arrow. You can see it's going to look like this, but if you just want to click it another time, and then you can see it will turn at your right side, okay, by simply clicking on this right arrow. But if you want to shift it into the left side, just simply press this Windows key, press this arrow key, press it another time, and now you can see that this File Explorer at your left side. And now you can simply use these two apps whenever you need, just like I'm showing you. If I open these over here, or if I just want to open any types of documents, I don't have any documents right now, but if I just want to open it, and I'm going to copy it, and you can see copy it, I'm going to search it over here. You can see I simply can use these two multitasking into my Windows 11 in a very simple way. So this is how you can use or snap Windows side by side into Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.